How to modify wall layers and fix wall layer error. Hello and welcome to our new video. Today, we'll show you how to modify wall layers in Revit and how to fix a common wall layer error. So let's get started. First, it's important to point out that wall layers can be modified only on compound walls. A compound wall is a wall made up of multiple layers, such as finish layers, insulation, and a structural core, and these types of walls allow us to work with individual layers. Let's open a section of this wall. We can see that the wall consists of several layers. When we move the wall up or down, all layers move together. Now let's unlock the layers. With the wall selected, we go to Edit Type, Structure, then Edit. In the window that opens, we switch to Preview, set the view to Section, modify Type Attributes, and then click Modify. We zoom into the top of the wall and click on the layer we want to unlock. In this case, it's the finish layer, Brick Common. It is important to note that this is not limited to a single layer. Any layer within a compound wall can be unlocked and modified independently. You can unlock one layer, multiple layers, or all existing layers, depending on how many the wall type contains, and each of them can be controlled separately. A padlock icon appears, and we click on it to unlock the layer. Then click OK. We apply the same principle to the bottom of the wall. Again, we go to Structure, Edit, Modify, and unlock the layer. Now we can see that we have separate control arrows for the finish layer, both at the top and at the bottom of the wall. This means the finish layer can be moved independently, either up or down, without affecting the other wall layers. In addition to using these control arrows, we can also adjust the layers through the Properties panel. We select the wall, and under Constraints, we find several important options. Top extension distance defines how far the finish layer extends above the top of the wall. In this example, we'll enter -50. Top offset defines how far the wall is offset relative to the top level. If we set top extension distance value to 0, the finish layer aligns with the top of the wall. Base extension distance controls the extension of the layer at the bottom of the wall. If we enter 0, the layer aligns with the rest of the wall. If we enter 20, we can see the layer moving above the bottom edge of the wall. If we want the layer to extend below the wall, we need to enter a negative value. Now let's try the same workflow on a house model. Again, we go to Edit Type, Structure, Edit, Modify, and we unlock the layer. Then click OK. We get the following error. Cannot extend layers of the highlighted vertical compound wall. This error occurs because the walls are still attached to the top and bottom levels, and Revit does not allow individual layer extensions in this condition. To fix this, we select all walls of the same type, click Detach Top/Base, and then choose Detach All. Now we select the wall again, go to Edit Type, Structure, Edit, Modify, unlock the layer at the bottom, and then at the top. Click OK, and we can see that the error no longer appears. If we open a section view, we can now move the finish layer both below and above the rest of the wall layers, completely independently. And that's it. Small adjustments like this make a big difference in how clean and accurate your model really is. We hope this tutorial helps you improve your Revit workflow. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.